Meet the JRC CGB-45A-16H PCB Card, a pinnacle of precision and reliability. Crafted by JRC, this component is designed to perform and endure. Discover the JRC CGB-45A-16H PCB Card, an epitome of precision engineering. Trust in JRC's legacy of excellence for your business needs. Experience the JRC CGB-45A-16H PCB Card. Known for its durability, it stands as a testament to JRC's commitment to quality and excellence. Designed to endure, it guarantees optimal performance for your electronic systems. Trust in JRC's legacy of quality and choose the CGB-45A-16H for your projects, ensuring durability and excellence in every application. JRC stands as a hallmark of trust and quality in the electronics industry. Renowned for their reliable and high-quality components, JRC's expertise enhances the credibility of every product they manufacture. JRC is synonymous with trust and quality in the electronics industry. Rely on JRC to deliver components that uphold the highest standards, ensuring your projects achieve unparalleled reliability and performance. The CGB-45A-16H PCB Card. Experience the perfect blend of innovation and dependability with this outstanding PCB card. Thank you for your attention. Visit us www.ramatimations.com.